Praise the Lord. Give all diligence. 2 Peter chapter 1, 5-6. And beside this, giving all diligence, add to your faith virtue, and to virtue knowledge, and to knowledge temperance, and to temperance patience, and to patience godliness. Peter begins this brief letter to Christians by reminding them they are not missing anything they need to lead the good and godly lives they are called to. They must work, then, to add to their faith the goodness and qualities of Jesus. This requires effort, unlike salvation, which is not based on our work. 2 Peter chapter 1, verse 6 describes the qualities of a Christian who is participating in God's nature. Goodness, doing good in the world as Jesus would. Knowledge, deeper understanding of God through prayer and His Word. Self-control, the ability to restrain, urge, and make the right choice when tempted. Perseverance, the ability to practice self-control over time. Godliness, a moral excellence that reflects the nature of God. This was also written to encourage Christians to live holy and godly lives, await Christ's coming, grow in the grace and knowledge of the Lord, and beware of false teachers. Oo, at dahil din dito, sa pagkaragdag sa ganang inyo ng buong sikap, ay ipamahagi ninyo ang inyong pananampalataya, ang kagalingan, at sa kagalingan ay ang kaalaman. At sa kaalaman ay ang pagpipigil, at sa pagpipigil ay ang pagtitiis, at sa pagtitiis ay ang kabanalan. To God be all the glory.